Hi, I'm Greg Jameson, and I am really excited to be able to share with you the launch of the upcoming session 2 of the AI Money Machine program. Now, this is a online program that we actually ran a couple of months ago, and it was an overwhelming success, so much so that we're doing it again. It's called the AI Money Machine program, and this is where you are going to learn how to create real products using artificial intelligence or AI that you can turn around and sell online. An example is the shirt that I'm wearing. This shirt was created with AI, and I'm going to show you how to create real physical products like this during this program. But it doesn't just have to be physical products. We're also going to learn how to create digital downloadable products, including books and software, patterns, just about anything you can think of that somebody might be able to download, and you sell those digitally. Now, you can certainly sell these on your own website. If you have a WooCommerce store or a Shopify store, you can sell these products on your own website. But if you don't have an e-commerce store, and you still want to be able to sell things online, you can sell these on marketplaces like Amazon and Etsy. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. The program doesn't just revolve around how to use AI to make the products, but actually how to use AI to market and sell the products as well. It includes a book that is over 200 pages long. This is a step-by-step playbook of exactly how you can build these products online. Now, that's just one of the bonuses. You are going to get 6 weeks of live instruction. This is 90 minutes every week where I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to do this. And there will be homework each week so that as you go through the program and you do the things that we talk about in the live classes, you're going to learn exactly how to do this so that by the end of the program, you will be selling AI-generated products online. In fact, in the last program, we had somebody make a sale within an hour of uploading her first product. So you get the 6 weeks of live training. There's going to be a bonus week also. So you're really going to get 7 weeks out of this. The bonus week, we're not going to cover any new material, but we're going to use that as a way for you to share your projects with others and for us to have some kind of ongoing discussion about what you have accomplished and where you're going forward from that point. You're going to get an hour of one-on-one time with me as well. So in addition to the live course, in addition to the bonus week, in addition to the playbook, you're going to get to spend some one-on-one time directly with me where I'm going to help you to make sure that you get your AI-generated products launched and selling. Another bonus that you're going to get is pre-recorded lessons. There are over 6 hours of pre-recorded lessons that you have access to. So if you want to just, for example, look at the lesson on how do I create a software program that I can sell online, there is a video just on how to create a software program. If you want to watch the video just on how do I create a t-shirt using AI, there's a video just on that. So there's 6 hours of pre-recorded lessons. We have an exclusive AI app ourselves that we have developed specifically for this program that talks just about things for using AI to create products and sell them online. And you will have access to that proprietary AI. There's no other way to get access to that other than by joining this program. There's some other bonuses. When you click on the link, you'll be able to see those as well. But this program is absolutely packed with information. It is the only one of its kind out there that I am aware of. The success of our students has been phenomenal. I encourage you to read their testimonials or watch their testimonial videos. But more importantly, what I really encourage you to do is go to theaimoney.com. That's theaimoney.com. Register for the program. It starts the Wednesday after Labor Day, and this is going to rock your world. I don't care if you are the owner of a company that is huge. You know, Disney makes all kinds of money, not just from their movies and their theme parks and their cruise ships, but they make a huge amount of their money by selling physical products. Even Netflix makes a huge amount of money by selling physical products. Rock bands like Kiss has made more money selling physical products than they ever did off of their music. It doesn't matter if, like I said, you're a big company, you're a big celebrity. If you're just a solopreneur, if you're looking for a side hustle, if you're looking for some extra retirement income, this program is going to rock your world. We are going to show you exactly how you can apply this to your life, how you can get more business, more revenue coming in, all with AI-generated products. So sign up at theaimoney.com. I look forward to having you enroll in the program, and we'll see you there.